Hey guys, welcome to How to Do Computers. I'm Mike, and today we're going to be looking at nesting or running a VM within a VM using Hyper-V. There are a few use cases for this. For instance, you may want to create a completely isolated environment that will be sure not to impact any of your regular virtual machines. Or you might be testing something on the VM like Visual Studio Phone Emulator that itself requires virtualization to be enabled. For specifics on enabling Hyper-V on your host machine, I already have a couple of videos on this, which I will link in the description. So here, we're connected to a Windows 10 Pro virtual machine running off of our host machine, and as you can see if you open up the features, we're able to install the Hyper-V management tools, but the Hyper-V platform is grayed out. We can even launch Hyper-V, but there's no option to install virtual machines on this machine, only to connect to another server running Hyper-V. So what we need to do is go ahead and shut this machine down and go back to our host machine. Here we're going to open up a Powershell window and make sure to run that as admin. And the command we're going to use will be here. I'll make sure to post that down in the description as well. It'll be Set-VMProcessor VMName, the name of the VM that you would like to enable nesting on, and then ExposeVirtualizationExtensions true. So the VM name here in our case will be Win10-Pro01. So let's go ahead and change that. And then we will copy the command and paste it into PowerShell. Hit enter. Alright, looks like it completed successfully. We'll go ahead and close out of all of this for now. And then we'll launch our virtual machine. Now we should be able to go into Features and enable Hyper-V. There we go. Hit OK. It'll install it, and in a moment we'll ask us for a restart. We'll go ahead and do the restart. So once we're loaded back into the virtual machine, you can launch Hyper-V. And once it loads, you'll see the virtual machine is now listed as a server under Hyper-V, and you'll be able to create and run virtual machines. Let me go ahead and spin up a quick VM just to test it out. Alright, so we've created a simple virtual machine. It's running already, and if we connect, we can see that we are ready to install the operating system of our choosing. Alright, I believe that's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.